Hello and thank you for tuning in to Zippo Lion's Den. This video, I like to show you a few lighters. This one is called Sapphire. It is a really nice chrome blue. I don't know if the light will do it justice or not. But it's a really slick blue lighter. This one is November 2019. I stuck a brass insert in it from 2021 because I think it makes a nice cool contrast. Makes it look really cool, in my opinion. And then the next one is called Tree Rings Design. And this one is actually another blue sapphire with tree ring design in it. But as you can tell, it's the same kind of shiny blue as the blue sapphire. This one's a January of 2020. And now the third one is a Harley Davidson. Harley Ghost, it's called. And this one technically is also a sapphire, except with the Harley design and some blue flames on it, which I thought made a nice contrast. I don't really buy many Harley lighters, but this one I thought was kind of cool. It is an I 2020. Matching insert. Relatively decent hinge for a modern lighter. But like I said, it is another blue sapphire. I kind of like that color. Looks kind of neat. And I hope you like what you see. If you do, please hit the like button and subscribe. And have a great day. Thank you.